Hello for all those people who like mucking around, making their helis a bit more interesting. I'm going to put this 450 into a frame fuse for a BO105. So I've done a couple of modifications, and let's start off here as trying to give it a little bit more grunt over the last couple of years, and I've gone to an ICE 50 escape, and the ICE 50 escape will cover me for 3-cell batteries right the way through, like on this, to 4-cell and 5-cell batteries, giving me a range of about 1200, roughly. It likes that, to 2000 to 3500, but I haven't clocked it with the 4-blade head at doing that. I've just turned the power down a little, but it's got a bit of grunt in it, and it sounds really nice with those 4 blades. And then I've been running it with a Futaba gyro 510 or something. Yeah, anyway, I have just then stuck the raised tail on the thing, and the raised tail is a nice little unit by Heli artist, and then a wire frame and to stop it flexing goes through a little aluminium tube, and then a little fitting on the back that I can just see through the thing now out of plastic. And then I've got a cheap Hobby King $25 4-blade head, and as you can see, it was interesting. The guys on the Hobby King site didn't explain it very well, but I've got myself the blades that are basically square with the tail boom, and the one that's in front of the phaser, the blade runs around at anti-clockwise, and the phasing system on this is all manual, and I've got off the blade this linkage that's phased at 90 degrees in front of the blade running around, so that 90 degrees is a good start, and the Heli flies nice and sweet with that phasing on this head. That's a pretty sturdy little head. I'm quite impressed with it, but with the 10 degrees of negative pitch and about 10-12 degrees of positive pitch, it actually is pretty towy. So I'm considering taking off the little gyro, and for the 520 gyro I'm putting on a Snookum 540, just so that I can get the computer to do in the gyro a bit more of the computations whilst it's flying, just to even it out and just to soften the whole thing and make it a little more scale. Yeah, so anyway, this has started off at 450, and the batteries I've just ramped up a bit, get more out of it, doing just basic sports stuff and hooning around. It flies really nice. The blades at the moment, I'm just getting used to. It's a nice sound and blade sound rather than the whine of the electric motor at the moment on lower head speeds. And the tail is functioning really well because it's got that extra 80 mils out, so it's more like a 500 Heli. Yeah, so now I just need to give it a run, set up like that. I made some mods to the little back end here by fixing it and making them smaller and smaller until I still got a nice smooth movement in the tail wire, so that it'll all slide in nicely into the frame, into the BO105 fuse that I've got set up just over here. Anyway, I'm going to have to run this thing a little just to show you. I'll run the thing and go for a little fly in the backyard, and then we'll stick it in the fuse. Okay,